Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing another one and done summer look. I'm just doing a one and done eyeshadow, kind of a shimmery eye look, and then a glossy lip. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. For skin prep, I'm going to start with this Merit Great Skin Serum. I'm going to do 2 pumps. Spread it in my hand, just apply it everywhere. I even go down onto my neck area and the back of my hands for whatever's extra. For the base, I am using the Rose Inc Skin Enhance Luminous Tinted Serum. This is in the color 010. And I've really been loving these type of products. They're so lightweight, feels like water going on. I mean, anything that feels like there's no makeup on your face, I'm all for it. It's so nice, and especially paired with the serum, it just feels like a really nice hydrating combo. And there's now makeup in my hair. For concealer, I am still working through trying to get every last drop of this Era Perez concealer in the color Latte. This is, I believe, their lightest shade, and wintertime it's perfect. For me right now, it's a smidge too light, only because I have a little bit of bronze going on. And then I'll just tap it out with my fingers. And I've mentioned before in all my other videos that I've used the Era Perez concealer is that it doesn't last long during the day at all, because it's one of those natural ingredients. It does fade away, so you don't get that longevity under the eyes and that concealer that you want. Moving on, I'm going to use the Rose Inc bronzer in Kawaii. I just kind of jump all over the place when I do makeup. There's no real order to things. It's just how I'm feeling like going in that direction. So hopefully that's not annoying to you guys, but really, it's how I do it every day, just randomly. I really like the Rose Inc bronzer. I love the smell of it. I love how it goes on. Just a little bit of bronze. Whatever's left, I'll put it under. And moving on, for setting powder, I'm just going to use this since I have it out. I'm gonna get a little bit into the cap, just like 1-2 taps. And even that is a bit too much. I'll use a softer, for the full face, I do prefer this particular shape. I'm gonna get the powder in my hand and then just kind of work it on the back of my hand like this, so it doesn't get too much on the face, and then I'll just put it all over. It's just worked evenly into the bristles. Yeah, I really like that bronzer. Doesn't even look like I have bronzer on. Really beautiful. I think for blush, I'm going to do this Hourglass in the color Brilliant Nude. I'm going to use this Sephora collection. This one has a bit of radiance to it, and I really like that it just warms up the cheeks. Kind of has a bronzing effect to it as well. So there's the color there. I will do my eyebrows. This is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Shape and Fill in the color Dark Brunette. And I'll just do the underlining method. I may use a little bit more of highlight just because I do want to go through this Ilia highlighter, even though there is plenty of radiance coming through from that blush. For lips, I am going to use one of the Wonder Skin colors, the lip liner in Rosewood. And I'm gonna do just gloss today. This is the Dior gloss in 015. I think it's their cherry. This is just the prettiest color, and their consistency, their gloss formula, it's so good. I mean, definitely no complaints there. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Space Cowboy as kind of a one and done eyeshadow today. So I'm just gonna use well, I might try with my finger first. Just trying to create simple summer looks because I know we've been really busy this summer, and even though I still love to make the videos whenever I can, it's just hard to sit here and do a full face of glam, although I usually would. Then I'm going to use just a little bit for under eyes. And I'm going to do a little bit of this e.l.f. Copper Chick. I always like a bit of more dimension under the eyes. And I'm going to do liquid eyeliner for the top. Finish it off with this Benefit Fan Fest mascara. And that concludes the look for today. I just did another one and done simple eye look and just a summer glossy lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are having a great summer. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.